Ñeñiño, ñeñiño, ñeño, ñeñiño, 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 ñeño. Nicolas, come in. We have to present the nuclear energy. Hurry up.
So, do you know what is the nuclear energy?
Of course, it's the energy in the nucleus or core of an atom. But I don't know how does it work.
Oh, it's easy, look. So the atoms are tiny units which have some energy, and this energy holds the dense nucleus together. And it contains some power. There are two kinds of atomic reactions to create nuclear energy. The first one, the goal is to join the atoms together. It's the nuclear fusion, but it's impossible to make it for the moment because the nuclear power plants don't have the capabilities to produce this energy safely. And the second kind of atomic reaction is the nuclear fission. It's when the atoms are split apart.
And for it, we don't use fuel but uranium because the nuclear reactors force the atom of uranium to break apart. And it makes some tiny particles named fission products which make other uranium atoms to split, and it's the creation of chain reaction. That's so cool!
Yes, so the energy created by this chain reaction created heat, which serves to run the motor. It's the cooling agent. And it produces steam which turns big turbines, and there is the creation of electricity.
I want to have it to supply the electricity of my aquarium. Did you know that I have a fish?
And his name is John C.
Yes, Matthew. And it will be too dangerous, because the nuclear energy has some advantages and some disadvantages. You want to start by which one? The advantages or the disadvantages?
Can I take a joker? 50-50? No? Okay, start with the advantages, please.
So, 1. The nuclear energy doesn't create greenhouse gas emissions. 2. The nuclear energy saves lives. Between 1976 and 2009, the nuclear energy saved 1.8 million of lives, counting Chernobyl and Fukushima. 3. The nuclear energy creates a lot of jobs, more than 100,000 well-paid, long-term jobs, and supports local economies with millions of dollars.
And now the disadvantages. 1. There is the nuclear weapons proliferation. For example, in 1944 took place the first test of nuclear explosion, and 1 year later 2 large cities were destroyed by 2 nuclear bombs. So imagine the progress which we have today. It's a little bit crazy. 2. The radioactive waste is very harmful to the environment and the health of the population. The radioactivity is reduced very slowly. It takes about 16 centuries to remove radioactive nucleus from nuclear waste. And 3. The accidents, it's very dangerous.
Okay, look at this beautiful house. It needs about 4,500 kWh in a year, so a town of 50 houses needs 225,000 kWh in electricity. For you, can a nuclear plant supply this town?
Yes, a reactor produces each year 6 million megawatt-hour, which corresponds to the consumption of 400,000 houses.
Good. Can I go listening to music, please?
Yes, but I come with you.
The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen.